Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make this really adorable back to school backpack cubby. It is perfect for your backpack, lunchbox, shoes, whatever you may need. And then at the end, I'm also going to share a nice little IKEA hack using a Trofast storage unit. So if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. Alright guys, first and foremost, we need to put together the bookshelf. It is technically a bookshelf. I got it from Amazon. It was around $30. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble that. It did not take me too long. It was about 20 minutes to put together. Super simple. All right, now that it's done, I'm going to go ahead and put it in its place. I did find these cloud mirrors from the Dollar Tree. They were $1 a piece. You'll see here, I kind of play back and forth between this banner from Amazon and then the cloud mirrors. I couldn't decide what I was going to do. It just looked too crowded if I had the cloud mirrors and the banner, so decided to cut the banner in half. As you can see, I did add the cloud mirrors and I go back through and add the banner. I just could not decide, but at the end I did take the cloud mirrors down after I hung up the banner. And I got this wood D letter from Michaels. I am going to be putting that in the center of the two banners. Now I got these really cool hooks from Amazon. They are powerful, like silicone hooks. They stick right on the inside of the bookshelf here. I'm going to put a few in there, put one for her backpack, one for her dance backpack, and then one for her lunchbox or even like a jacket. As you guys will see later, I did decide to add another one. So these are perfect for her to reach and hang herself. So when she comes home, she can put everything in this, central command center, if you will. So it'll be much more easy for her to do herself. Now she had one of these extra storage bins from her room, so I brought that down. I'm going to put it in here in case she wants to put dirty clothes or whatever in there. Then as you will see, I'm going to hang her jacket. So if it is winter time, she can hang up her jacket and just put her lunchbox next to her backpack or however she wants to organize it, completely up to her. And then that other little empty space is for shoes. It's perfect. Just put the most worn shoes there. All right, now I got these plastic iridescent containers from Dollar Tree. Really cute. I'm going to put her hand sanitizer in one and then put some pens and highlighters and pencils in there in case I need to sign something. And then I also am going to be putting these masks up here for her. We are under another mask mandate, so it'll be easy for her to grab. All right, moving on, I've got these days of the week little printouts. I got them from Teachers Pay Teachers. I am going to be putting them on the little buckets there. You guys will see why in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and cut those out and laminate them. Now I will link this down below. I believe it was a free printout from Teachers Pay Teachers. I love that website, especially if you do homeschool. This is perfect. They've got all kinds of resources. All right, now that these are laminated, I'm going to take this double-sided tape and put the labels on the bins, one for each day of the week. Now, forgive me, I did leave the stickers on the inside of these IKEA bins, only because if you take it off, there's residue left over and it's just a mess. And I don't really mind the stickers, it doesn't bother me, but feel free to take them off if it bothers you. All right, now I moved it upstairs. I'm going to put all the days of the week in the storage unit itself. This bin here on the bottom is going to be for hair accessories, socks, underwear, whatever she may need. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to pick out your outfit of the week, stick it in each corresponding day, and that is it. She can go ahead and go up there every single morning and get herself dressed. I don't have to be up there. We don't have to worry about picking out an outfit. This is super simple and very practical and will make your life so much easier when it comes to starting your day for school. Now I'm just adding a few decorative pieces, and that is it, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed my back to school backpack cubby. It was really simple and inexpensive, as well as my IKEA Trofast hack. I will link both the backpack cubby and the Trofast unit from IKEA down below. I think this will really encourage her to be independent and self-sufficient. She can get herself dressed in the morning, she can come home from school and hang up her own stuff and just have like a general command center for school. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!